In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a 5-point Christmas star. This is a very quick and beginner-friendly project. You can use these stars as ornaments, gift tags on a garland, or as an applique. This Christmas star is part of our star pattern collection on Etsy that includes several star sizes and a mini star bag. The collection is linked in the description below. To make this star, I'm using 4-weight cotton and a 4mm hook, but you can use any yarn and hook size you want. Let's get started. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain 3 will count as a double crochet. Then work 2 double crochet in the ring and chain 1. 1, 2, chain 1. Then begin a pattern repeat of 3 double crochet, chain 1 for a total of 4 repeats. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, that's 1 repeat. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, that's 2, 1, 2, 3, that's 3, and 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and that's 4. So now we have 5 clusters of 3 double crochet, including that first chain 3 that counts as a double crochet, and a chain 1 in between each one of those clusters. So go ahead and pull your ring tight, and we'll slip stitch to the top of that chain 3 to join. For round 2, chain 3, this will count as a double crochet, and work 2 double crochet in the chain space right here to make half of a corner. That's 1 and 2. Now we'll skip over these double crochet stitches and work in the very next chain 1 space. This is where we'll start our pattern repeat. So in this next chain 1 space, add 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. You'll repeat this for a total of 4 repeats. So in that first chain 1 space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and this creates one of our repeats. So we have 3 more. So skip over in that next chain 1 space. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 1, 2, 3. It's our second repeat. Next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 1, 2, 3. Next chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 1, 2, 3. It's our 4th repeat. So next up, we are going to finish off this corner with 3 double crochet in that very first chain 1 space that we worked into. All right, we'll do 3 double crochet, and a chain 1. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and slip stitch to the top of that chain 3 to join. For round 3, we'll chain 3. This will count as a double crochet, and then you'll work 2 double crochet in this chain 1 space, just like we did last round. It's 1 and 2. Now we're going to place a single crochet in the top of that third, or really the second double crochet right here from the last round. So we'll skip over this one and we'll work a single crochet. Then in that space between our clusters, we'll work a slip stitch. And then in the very next stitch right here, we'll work a single crochet. Then you'll begin your pattern repeat. So in this next chain 1 space, you'll work 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and 1, 2, 3. Then you'll single crochet in the top of that third double crochet. You'll slip stitch in between clusters and work a single crochet in the next stitch. And that's your repeat. So you'll repeat that 3 more times, 1, 2, and 3. Then we'll finish off this last corner. So 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, all in that chain 1 space. Skip over, work a single crochet in the top of that third DC, slip stitch between clusters, and single crochet. Starting to form our star points. Repeat again, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. Single crochet, slip stitch, and single crochet. And one last time, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, skip over, work a single crochet, a slip stitch, and a single crochet, and finish off with 3 double crochet and a chain 1 in that very first chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and we'll slip stitch to the top of that chain 3 to join. And that is round 3. Now for our 4th and final round, we'll chain 1 and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 2, 3. We'll skip this stitch, and then in the next we'll work a slip stitch, and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. On this chain 1 space, we're going to create a little flourish of a point. So first, we'll slip stitch in that chain 1 space. We'll chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch back in that chain 1 space. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch back in that chain 1 space. And chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch back in that chain 1 space. All right, and this will create this little point or flourish for your star. So now we're going to begin our pattern repeat. We'll start with a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So that's starting right here. Can be kind of hidden, but it is the top of that first double crochet stitch from the previous round. So we'll work 4 single crochet. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll skip the next stitch and work a slip stitch into the following. And then a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. We'll work our slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch, chain 6, slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch in our chain 1 space. Oops. So we'll slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slip stitch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, and that is our repeat. So we'll do that 1, 2, 3 more times to finish off this star. So again, we'll single crochet in the next 4 stitches. This first one is kind of hidden. 1, 2, 3, 4, skip a stitch, slip stitch, and 1, 2, 3. And in your chain 1 space, slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch, chain 6, slip stitch, chain 4, and slip stitch. Then single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, skip a stitch and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, single crochet. You can see the flourishes are adding such a cute little touch to this star. Slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch. And 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet, skip a stitch, slip stitch, and 1, 2, 3, and we are in our final chain 1 space. So we'll finish off with our slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch, chain 6, slip stitch, chain 4, and slip stitch. And you're done. Pull your yarn out and cut it, then weave in all of your ends. I also like to block my work, either wet block or steam block. And that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on social media. Bye!